PAX-2-in-1 New Tire Repair Patch. Pressing technology upgraded. PAX's new tire patch is more flexible, can be bent at will, and adapts to various tire cambers, making it more compliant with the tire. In addition, one patch can be used for two purposes, whether it's a radial tire or a bias tire. Let's look at how to use the PAX new tire patch to repair radial tire punctures. First, locate the puncture, mark it with a crayon, and remove the object causing the puncture. Lightly press the patch onto the tire and trace the repair area with a crayon. Next, use the grinding tool to roughen the repair surface. Then, apply rubber cement evenly to the repair area. Here is a tip to focus on. Be sure to wait for the rubber cement to dry completely. We highly recommend pairing with the latest launch PAX Green Cement, which reduces drying time and improves repair efficiency. From the actual test, we can see that even if the green cement is applied very thickly, it still dries completely in less than 1 minute. The new PAX exclusive formula green cement shortens drying time by more than half and increases adhesion and sealing strength. Let's go back to tire puncture repair. You can see that in less than 30 seconds, the green cement has dried to a matte surface. Next, peel off the backing film of the patch. Align the bead guideline on the patch at a 90-degree angle to the tire sidewall, allowing the super strong nylon ply webbing inside the patch to crisscross vertically and horizontally, matching the weave of the inner layer of radial tires. Finally, remember to use a roller tool to press it to make the patch adhere more closely to the tire, and the repair will be successful. Additionally, as long as you rotate the patch slightly so that the bead line on the new patch is 45 degrees to the inner wall of the tire, this aligns the patch's inner super strong nylon fibers in an X pattern, matching the weave of bias ply tire layers, so you get a perfect bias tire repair. Using PAX tire patches allows for a perfect and effortless repair, giving your tires new life and greatly improving driving safety.